students, today I will start the reasoning chapter 5, that means picture reasoning. Let's see how will we solve. I am explaining few questions on the board. Let's see this. The first question is, this symbol is there in the question, then this symbol is given, then this B is given, then question mark is given. In this question we have to find out the value of the question mark. Let's see how will we solve this. You can see this S is here and it is moving clockwise direction 90 degree. Then this S will be given. According to this figure we will move, this value is also 90 degree. That means this will be the figure of the answer. So which option is right? B option is right. Let's moving on the question number 2. In the question number 2, this value is given, only one line. Then in another figure 1, 2, 3 lines are there. You can see in the first figure one line is there, second figure 3 lines is there. In the next figure no line is there. And what is the last figure? You can see each line are odd. Here is 1, here is 3, then here is no line. That means according to the options, in the A option one line is there, in the B option 1, 2, in the C option 1 and 2 line is there, and in the D this is the figure. Now students, we have to solve this question according to the options. Now you can see in the question only one line is there, here 3 lines are there inside the figure, here no line is there. Students, you can see the number of lines in the odd. You can see there are odd number of lines is in each and every figures. Like here is 1, here is 3, here is no. So we have to pick the odd number of line in the figure. So option number A is right. Why? Because there is only one line. 1 means odd. You can see here is 2 lines, here is also 2 lines, and here is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, many lines. So which option is right? A option is right. Now students, let's see the question number 3. In this question, the question figure is, you can see the first question, how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3. In the second figure, you can see 3 lines are there, but you can see these lines are here and here are 2 lines. So, but positioning of this figure will not be changed. Similarly, you can see this figure in the cross way. But how many lines are there? You can see in this figure 3 lines are there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 lines are there. So we have to find out the question marks value. Now see the option. This will be wrong. Why? Because this is in this position. So it will be wrong. How many lines will be there? 1, 2, 3. So this will also wrong because only 2 lines are there. Now see the D part. This will also wrong. Why, students? Because this figure and this figure is same. We can't pick the same figures, so only C part will be right. Now let's see the fourth part. In this question you can see pick the dot and cross. You can see this will transfer in the clockwise position. From here you can see this will transfer here, and similarly dot with cross will transfer here. Similarly in this figure you can see dot is here and cross will be transferred here. So in the result figure, So in the result figure, this will be the result figure, and in the result figure dot will be transferred here in the downside and cross will be transferred here in the upside. So this is the result figure. So student, please try to solve rest of the part of chapter number 5.